I'm just gonna be doing a polishing stage, so I use the Chemical Guys P4. Of course, you know, you got your torque, your polisher, everybody got different polishers and such, but then you wanna have your polishing pad. Also, I get these from Chemical Guys, Detail Garage, shout out to them. And then last but not least, you have your 3M 3-year ceramic coating right here. But yeah, guys, just want to check in and show you this. So we'll be applying this 3M ceramic coating here. So you just put a little bit on your pad. And hey guys, what's going on? It's Adrian with Detail Lifestyle and Pull Right Up Detailing Company. Right now, I just want to give a shout out to 3M ceramic coating. This is what I use. This is the product right here that I use to ceramic coat the 740i BMW. Did a wash, clay bar, polishing, and then I coated it after cleaning it with alcohol. I ceramic coated it with 3M ceramic coating. One layer of this stuff will get you 3 years protection. Let it bond to the paint, buff off, and let it cure in a garage, preferably, I say 1 to 3 days, depending on how fast you need the car back. But I would let it cure at least overnight, and then maybe a day or so after. Once again, Adrian with Pull Right Up Detailing Company and Detail Lifestyle. 3M ceramic coating, what we use, and I'll upload some videos of the finished product. Salute.